Welcome to IELTS speaking test number 12. Please turn on the subtitles. After completion of the video, check the vocabulary in the description box. Today, we will discuss the latest speaking topic. The subject of the day is, describe an old friend you got in contact with again. In the question, you should answer the following sub-questions. Who he or she is, what he or she is like, how you got in contact, and explain how you felt about it. In today's technological era, it is a means to have a talk with others regardless of distance. People can talk with each other by doing a video call from their home. I have a lot of friends and I always try to be in touch with them despite having a very hectic schedule. Sometimes I pay a surprise visit to my friends, and sometimes they also amaze me with their surprise visit. I vividly remember a couple of months ago I experienced such a situation when my old friend visited my house. He was my classmate. His name is Nitin. We studied at the same school. After getting senior secondary education, he made up his mind to pursue his further education in a foreign university. So, he migrated to Netherlands, and unfortunately, we both lost our touch. Last summer, he returned to India to attend his cousin's marriage, and he made a plan to surprise me by visiting me. I was over the moon when he came to my house. Seeing him again after a long time left me totally flabbergasted. I warmly welcomed him to my house. We chatted with each other for nearly 2 hours, and recalled many of our childhood memories. He told me about his education experience in the Netherlands, and I was shocked when he told me that he did a part-time job while studying in the Netherlands. Moreover, my mother has a dab hand in cooking, and Vivek loves laddu made by my mother, and my mother made fresh laddu for him. Apart from this, we went to the renowned shopping mall in our city, which is stone throw away from my house. We did a lot of shopping, and I bought stylish clothes for him which made him emotional. Lastly, we went to a cafe where we used to sit when we were a child, and enjoyed hot coffee. We had the time of our lives that day. This is an example. You can use your situation. Check out the vocabulary used in this speech, are given in the description box. We hope you like this video. You can send us your story in the comment section. We are making a video every day. You can give us a like and subscribe to our channel for IELTS speaking practice. Thank you.